Today we're diving into how you can invest in the Nifty 50 using Zerodha. If you're looking to grow your investment portfolio, you're in the right place. First off, let's quickly cover what Nifty 50 is. The Nifty 50 is an index that represents the top 50 large cap companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. It's a great way to invest in the Indian stock market with a diversified approach. Now, before you start, you need a Zerodha account. If you don't have one yet, here's how to set it up. Go to Zerodha website and click on sign up. Now you'll need to provide your mobile number and email. Complete the KYC process by uploading your documents. Make sure your PAN card and Aadhaar card are handy. Once your account is verified, you'll receive your login credentials. Next, you'll need to fund your Zerodha account to start investment. Log into your Zerodha account and go to the funds section. Choose the preferred method to deposit money, whether it's through net banking or UPI. Enter the amount you want to invest and hit on submit. Your funds will be credited shortly. Now, after your account is funded, it's time to look for Nifty 50 stocks. Open the Kite website. In the first login and in the search bar type Nifty 50 to find the index. You can also explore individual stocks that make up the Nifty 50 for more targeted investments. Now ready to invest, let's place your order. Select the stock or the Nifty ETF you want to buy. Click on buy, enter the quantity and choose your order type. Review your order and hit on buy, and congrats on your investment. But remember, investing is not just about buying, it's also about monitoring.